Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable SignNow to streamline lease addenda and disclosures. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the SignNow website. Log in to your SignNow account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the dashboard on your main screen. Look for the Templates section in the navigation menu. Click on Templates to access the template library. Next, select the option to create a new template. Upload your lease addenda or disclosure documents by dragging and dropping them or by browsing your files. Once your document is uploaded, you will see a preview. Review the document to ensure it is correct and formatted properly. Begin adding fields by selecting the Add Fields option from the toolbar. Choose the type of fields you need, such as signature fields, text fields, or date fields. Drag and drop the fields into the appropriate locations on your document. Customize the field settings as needed, ensuring each field is labeled correctly. After adding all necessary fields, click on the Save button to save your template. Now, return to the dashboard and select the Send option. Choose your new template from the list of available templates. Enter the email addresses of the recipients who need to sign. Add any additional message or instructions in the message box. Select the appropriate signing order if needed, then click Send Invitation. Monitor the signing process from your dashboard. Once all parties have signed, you will receive a notification. Finally, download or store the completed document as needed. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled SignNow to streamline your lease addenda and disclosures. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.